Can we imagine a future where engineering and sustainability are not just interconnected, but inseparable? This question sets the stage for our journey into the future of engineering, a future where sustainability is not just an afterthought, but the driving force. In a world facing global challenges like climate change, dwindling resources, and increasing pollution, there is a pressing need for sustainable solutions. That's where engineering steps in. It's the science of problem solving, and there's no bigger problem to solve than ensuring a sustainable future. Engineering, at its core, is about innovation. It's about finding new and efficient ways to do things. Now, it's time to take that innovative spirit and apply it to sustainability. We're talking about designing systems that use less energy, creating materials that are less harmful to the environment, and building structures that are more resilient to changing climates. So, let's set forth on this exciting journey. Let's explore together how sustainable engineering is shaping our world and its future. In 2016, a plane completed a flight around the world, powered solely by the sun. This was no ordinary flight. It was the solar impulse, a testament to the ingenuity of sustainable engineering. This revolutionary project wasn't without its challenges, but as we know, engineers thrive on solving problems. Imagine designing a plane that relies entirely on sunlight. It needs to be light, yet strong. It must collect and store enough energy during the day to power through the night. The Solar Impulse team tackled these challenges head-on, developing an aircraft with a wingspan larger than a Boeing 747, yet weighing less than a family car. The wings housed 17,000 solar cells, charging 4 lithium polymer batteries, which powered the plane when the sun was out of sight. But the challenges weren't just about the plane. The pilots, too, faced an endurance test. The cockpit was unpressurized and unheated, and the longest leg of the journey was 5 consecutive days and nights of flying. The team had to engineer solutions for human challenges, like how to keep the pilots alert and healthy. The Solar Impulse wasn't designed to replace commercial jets, but rather to inspire and demonstrate the potential of renewable energy. Its success sent ripples through the aviation industry, prompting discussions about how to incorporate more sustainable practices. Today, we see more electric and hybrid aircraft in development, and the industry is taking steps towards reducing its carbon footprint. Yet, the implications of the Solar Impulse's journey extend beyond aviation. It's a case study in how sustainable engineering can overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. It's proof that we can transition to renewable energy sources, not just for our homes and cars, but for larger, more complex systems as well. It's a beacon of hope, showing us that the path to a sustainable future, though challenging, is within our grasp. Solar Impulse showed us that the sun could power not just our homes, but our dreams of sustainable travel as well. It's a testament to the power of sustainable engineering, a beacon of what's possible when we dare to dream big and work hard to turn those dreams into reality. Our buildings are often seen as a problem for sustainability, but could they be part of the solution instead? Picture this: a world where our buildings don't just use energy, but produce it. A world where our structures are not just shelters, but living, breathing entities that interact with their environment in a mutually beneficial way. This is the vision of the green building movement, an exciting frontier in the realm of sustainable engineering. The green building movement is an innovative approach to architecture and engineering that focuses on creating buildings that are energy efficient, resource efficient, and environmentally responsible. This means designing structures that minimize energy consumption, reduce waste, and even generate their own power. For instance, consider the concept of passive solar design. This involves orientating a building and choosing materials in such a way that it naturally regulates its temperature, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. Or think about the use of green roofs and walls, which not only provide insulation, but also help to absorb rainwater, reduce urban heat islands, and even provide habitats for wildlife. But it's not just about the buildings themselves. The green building movement is also about how these structures fit into the larger urban ecosystem. It's about creating sustainable cities, where buildings are connected by green spaces and public transportation, where waste is recycled, and where renewable energy is the norm. The possibilities for the future of green buildings are vast. Imagine skyscrapers with integrated wind turbines and solar panels, or houses that recycle their own wastewater. Imagine entire neighborhoods designed to be carbon neutral, or even carbon negative. Of course, implementing these ideas on a large scale won't be easy. It will require innovative engineering solutions, political will, and public support. But the potential benefits, in terms of energy savings, environmental protection, and improved quality of life, are enormous. The green building movement is not just about constructing new buildings, but about reimagining and rebuilding our cities for a sustainable future. This is the challenge and the opportunity that lies before us. And it's a challenge that engineers around the world are rising to meet. From flying around the world on solar power to building greener cities, sustainable engineering is not just an idea, but a reality. It's an exciting time as we're seeing these concepts come to life, impacting our world in positive ways. But let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned today. We've seen how the solar impulse flight, powered solely by renewable energy, has revolutionized aviation. This feat of engineering has shown us that sustainable practices are not only possible, but can also lead to new discoveries and advancements. Through this, we've learned that the sky is not the limit when it comes to sustainable engineering. We've also delved into the green building movement, where engineers are designing structures that produce their own energy, recycle their waste, and significantly reduce their carbon footprint. These sustainable designs are not only beneficial to the environment, but are also transforming our urban landscapes and the way we live. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine the potential of sustainable engineering in other areas. From developing renewable energy sources, designing efficient transportation systems, to creating innovative waste management solutions. The possibilities are endless. Sustainable engineering is about more than just designing and creating. It's about solving the complex challenges that our world faces today. It's about ensuring that our resources are used effectively and responsibly. It's about making a positive impact on our planet and future generations. This is a journey we're all part of. As engineers, we have a unique role in shaping this future. We have the power to create solutions that are not just innovative, but also sustainable. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. Sustainable engineering will play a crucial role in shaping a sustainable world. So, what will you engineer for our sustainable future?